Welcome to this tutorial on how to use NotebookLM on your Android device. This is your AI study assistant, putting powerful learning tools right in your pocket, perfect for students and teachers alike. What is NotebookLM? It's an AI-powered research and thinking partner built on Google's advanced Gemini models. It uses grounded AI, meaning it works exclusively with the documents you upload, including PDFs, notes, web pages, and videos. Why use it on Android? It offers mobile flexibility, giving you full desktop AI power optimized for your phone. You can study anywhere, transforming commutes into classrooms, and use short breaks for quick revision and accessing insights. For installation, you have two main options. Option A, download the NotebookLM app from the Google Play Store for Android 10 Plus. Option B, open your mobile browser and add to home screen for an app-like experience. For access, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. The interface is simple. The Home tab is your library of notebooks, which are collections of sources. Chat is the interaction zone for asking questions, and Studio is the creation engine for summaries, audio, and quizzes. To start, tap the new notebook box on the home screen. Assign a clear, specific title, like Biology 101. This creates a dedicated workspace for your topic. You can feed your notebook with various sources, use file upload for PDFs or text files, Drive integration for documents and slides, the Share menu for web pages, and YouTube video URLs for transcript reading. The Chat Brain allows you to interrogate your data, asking simple or complex questions. It provides citations derived only from your sources and maintains context, remembering previous turns in the conversation for deeper iteration. For instant summaries, navigate to the Studio tab and select Summary. This provides a concise version of all your materials, giving you a big picture view perfect for quick pre-class reviews. With Audio Overview, or Podcast Mode, the AI generates a conversational podcast. This is mobile optimized for listening while commuting or exercising. You can also download the audio for offline access and interact by pausing and asking questions during playback. Generate flashcards, also found in the Studio tab. NotebookLM auto-generates cards based on key concepts. These are customizable and encourage active recall to test your memory. Use self-assessment quizzes to practice. Generate tests instantly in Studio. Select the question type and difficulty, and receive immediate feedback. This helps identify weak spots before the real exam. Video overviews are ideal for visual learners. The AI converts material into a narrated visual presentation, enhancing comprehension. These are customizable to portrait, landscape, or square formats, and you can adjust the playback speed for efficient review. For students, combine chapters for exam revision. Teachers can generate lesson summaries and quizzes to save time. Organize your notebooks using emojis and titles, and sync your work by starting on Android and finishing on desktop. NotebookLM is the future of mobile study, offering smart, ubiquitous learning powered by AI 24/7. Your data is private and not used to train the model. NotebookLM is your personal AI tutor,